Here at Acura Pickering, we have a 2019 Acura MDX Elite all-wheel drive. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features on the inside. On the driver's side door, we can see this vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers. It has power mirrors, locks, and all automatic windows. And our tailgate and gas button are down at the bottom. It has power seating, full leather interior. It also has a sunroof up top and a rear DVD player. It also seats 7 passengers. There's an extra row in the back. It has HDMI ports and heated seats in the back as well. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, plus a heated steering wheel. It also has a built-in navigation system, a rear view camera, and 360-degree camera with blind spot indicators. It also has AM, FM, and XM radio, a CD player, Bluetooth audio, USB and auxiliary inputs, dual climate control, heated and cooled seats, and many more great features.